Hey guys, have you been wondering, is SnapTrader AI a real platform or will it give you real results? Well, in this video, we're going to take a deep dive and do a full review of SnapTrader AI, what people are saying about it, and if you actually get real results from it. Let's dive right in. So when we go to the analyzation of swing charts, you need to upload a chart image, but it gives you a full pre-trade setup calculator that lets you take in your take profit, stop loss, risk for trade, account balances, and a lot of information using a specific hour time frame settings, supposedly so it could swing trade for you very, very accurately while giving you the correct numbers for your stop loss, take profit, risk, and account balance. So let's upload a chart image really quickly. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame like the chart recommends, and let's put in a screenshot. And as you can see, if you don't have a subscription, it doesn't let you see anything, which is complete crap. It would at least let you see something. To unlock everything before paying, that kind of just shows it's scamming you. It's saying, I won't show you a single result until you pay me money. That's not how the world works. Now, when we take this information and we look at Trustpilot, we see it as 2.2 stars. That's really freaking low. All the reviews that have words have 1 star. All trades lost. This is not an AI. Avoid them. I blew 2 funded because of this. It's a terrible and a scam. I don't know why you'd have 2 funded accounts from straight AI. That's pretty silly. But clearly, it says that this is complete crap, and you can sign up for Chat LLM for just $10 and get more out of it. If we look at Reddit, when people ask about tools like SnapTrader AI, people immediately shut them down, say it's crap, showing how other people even know the service is crap. For $20 a month with a quote-unquote value plan at $100 a year, this is clearly a scam. And you should probably avoid using this tool unless you want to blow your funded accounts by using fake AI. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Howard's How To's for more simple reviews and tutorials just like this one.